Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Telegram with Nicegram. First, make sure you have both the official Telegram app and Nicegram installed on your device. It's also a good idea to update both applications to their most recent versions to ensure compatibility and access to all features. This process is straightforward and allows you to enjoy Nicegram's unique functionalities using your current Telegram account. To begin, open the Nicegram application on your phone. You'll see an option to log in with Telegram. Tap this, and then enter the phone number linked to your existing Telegram account. Telegram will then send a login confirmation request to your official Telegram app. Simply open Telegram and approve this request to proceed with the connection. Once you approve the login in Telegram, Nicegram will automatically sync all your chats, contacts, and settings. You'll see your familiar Telegram interface, but now within Nicegram. Take some time to explore the additional features Nicegram offers, such as advanced folder options, enhanced channel management, and unique customization settings. Your connection is now complete. Remember, Nicegram utilizes Telegram's official API, meaning your messages are still securely encrypted by Telegram. Always download Nicegram from reputable app stores to avoid unofficial or modified versions. If you encounter any issues or notice unusual behavior, don't hesitate to reach out to Nicegram's support team for assistance. Enjoy your enhanced messaging experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.